Hello students, today we will discuss about the equations of motion. The relations among initial velocity. Initial velocity means the velocity with which the body starts its motion. The relation among initial velocity, acceleration, time, final velocity and the displacement covered by the body are known as equations of motion. There are three equations of motion, and these equations of motion are named as first equation of motion, second equation of motion and third equation of motion. Clear? So equation of motion बस रिलेशन है इसके बीच में इनिशियल वेलोसिटी, जिस वेलोसिटी से बॉडी चलना शुरू करती है, टाइम कि इतने टाइम के बाद क्या वेलोसिटी हो जाएगी, वो वेलोसिटी उसकी फाइनल वेलोसिटी हो गई, एंड द डिस्प्लेसमेंट कवर्ड बाय द बॉडी इन द गिवन टाइम इंटरवल. ये इनके नंबर्स कितने हैं? थ्री इक्वेशंस ऑफ मोशन, और इनको हम नाम भी देते हैं इसी तरह से, फर्स्ट इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन, सेकेंड इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन एंड थर्ड इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन. तो चलिए पहले हम लोग पढ़ते हैं फर्स्ट इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन. ओके, गिव द हेडिंग फर्स्ट इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन. फर्स्ट, FIRST, फर्स्ट, और ये आपका लिखा है यहाँ पे इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन, फर्स्ट इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन. Suppose a body is moving with initial velocity u. Suppose a body is moving with initial velocity u, small u, initial velocity u, and uniform is something which is constant, uniform acceleration uniform acceleration a. After time t, second, after time t, the final velocity of the body becomes v, and the body covers a displacement s. So these are our assumptions, that consider a body is moving with the initial velocity u and uniform acceleration a. Uniform means constant, something which is not changing with time is known as uniform. So acceleration is uniform, and after some time, suppose after time t, the final velocity of the body becomes v, and during this time the body covers a displacement s. Now you have defined acceleration. What is acceleration? You have defined already. What is acceleration? Acceleration is acceleration this is equal to rate of change of velocity, rate of change of velocity. Rate of change of velocity. This is acceleration. Rate of change of velocity with respect to time is known as acceleration. How the velocity is changing, that is the acceleration. Now, we can write it as rate of change of velocity means change in velocity, change in velocity, change in velocity upon time taken. Time taken. Change in velocity means how we calculate the change in a quantity. We calculate the change in a quantity by subtracting final velocity minus initial. By doing this operation, we find the change. That is change in velocity. It is equal to final velocity minus initial velocity. Clear? Final velocity minus initial velocity upon time taken. This is acceleration. We are calculating acceleration. So acceleration is denoted by A. Acceleration is denoted by A. So A is equal to, what is final velocity? Final velocity is V. V minus initial velocity U upon time T. Clear? This is T. Now by cross multiplication T को आप इधर ट्रांसफर करिए. We will have this V minus U is equal to AT. This implies that V minus U is equal to AT, or V is equal to, transfer this U to right side, so here it is minus. When it will be transferred to right side, it will become positive. This is U plus AT. U plus AT. This is known as first equation of motion. V is equal to U plus A into T. This is known as first equation of motion. Clear? So we have got this equation by using the definition of acceleration. Here we use the definition of acceleration. To find the first equation, we have used definition of acceleration. And what is the definition of acceleration? It is rate of change of velocity with respect to time. That is change in velocity upon time taken. How will you calculate the change? Change will be calculated by doing this operation, that is final velocity minus initial velocity upon time taken. V minus U by T. By cross multiplication, we will have V minus U is equal to AT, or V is equal to U plus AT. So first equation of motion is V is equal to U plus AT. We will study second equation of motion in the next video. Thank you.